Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the browser supports Navigator, geolocation, and requesting permission immediately when the component mounts. Create a functional component and import useState and useEffect. This gives you reactive state for coords and error. Once done, call Navigator, geolocation. Get current position with success and error callbacks and set state accordingly. Make sure to include a short timeout and a high accuracy flag if you need precise position. That prevents long waits and informs the user why permission was requested. Next, implement live tracking by using watch position so you receive continuous location updates. You store the returned watch ID in a ref or state so you can clear it later with clear watch. This avoids memory leaks when the component unmounts. Once you get updates, update minimal state, latitude, longitude, accuracy, then throttle or debounce intensive calculations or map re-renders to maintain UI performance. Also handle permission changes and convert coordinates to the format your map or backend expects. Finally, tidy up by clearing any watch position watchers in your cleanup effect and ensure error state drives user messaging. If the user denies permission or geolocation is unavailable, provide a fallback such as IP-based lookup or an input for manual coordinates so the app remains usable. Make sure to log the error. Code and error. Message for debugging. That helps you distinguish timeout versus permission denied. If things go wrong, check secure context, HTTPS, and browser settings first, because many failures stem from those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.